Trumpf Smart Factory was put in place to have a demonstration facility for autonomous operations. We've got approximately 24,000 square feet of factory space out here. We also manufacture here, so it's very dynamic for our customers. What we try to describe here at the Smart Factory is how to get the full utilization of your factory. The introduction of the AGVs were really paramount to bring us to the next level in the autonomous operation.
Before the Jungheinrich AGVs, we were using sit-down equipment, forklift drivers, pallet jacks.
On a normal day, we would spend about 3-4 hours maybe a day just moving material back and forth.
Moving material is an indirect process, and you don't get paid for that. Trumpf's whole philosophy is identify waste and put something in place of it with an automatic process.
Now with the Jungheinrich AGVs, instead of having an operator take his time away from his work center, the AGV is bringing them the product.
It's made our workflow a lot easier. I can just focus on my work area and increase my production time.
My operator is now able to stay at their work center, and I'm seeing an increase in their productivity because they're not leaving their work center to go find a part. The automated guided vehicles are here to support the workforce. We're able to take our employee and increase their skill set.
They're at the machines forming parts, assembling parts, shipping parts, actually what the customer's paying you for. And that's only possible by using the AGVs.
The install process is very non-invasive.
In our process here, we have 2 AGVs. With our interlogistics connectivity to our fab software, we know if a machine is available for the next process to happen. And we can see what parts are there moving from one station to the next, which means improved throughput. There's no overburden going on in our facility. We have the right parts of the right machine to produce to meet the customer's order on time.
They make your life a lot simpler, and they're really safe to work around. You don't have to be constantly looking over your shoulder as you would with a normal forklift.
Their tracking is very precise on the floor. We know where they're going. They stop. They have audible sounds as well. Our customers say that's the solution that they need to bring their factory to the next level.
We are proving to our customers that this is the next step in the Industry 4.0, and this partnership with Trumpf and Jungheinrich is able to take us to the next level of automation.